Welcome back everyone to our channel. Today we're going to see how to free up Gmail storage and fix the insufficient storage on your inbox with an Chrome extension that literally will save your inbox. So it is the InboxPurge extension on Chrome Store. It will easily mass unsubscribe, block, and delete those annoying emails with just one single click. Let's see how to do it. So first thing first, go to your desktop and open the Google Chrome app on your desktop. Now go to the Chrome Web Store and search for InboxPurge extension. Click Add to Chrome. I already added it, so all you have to do is just click Install on the extension. Now once installed, click the InboxPurge icon in Chrome. Sign in with your Gmail account to allow the necessary permissions. Now InboxPurge will scan your inbox for subscriptions and newsletters. Select the ones you no longer want. Just click unsubscribe to stop future emails and reduce incoming clutter. Also, you can use it to mass delete emails. InboxPurge also helps you search and filter emails by sender, size, or date. Select multiple emails at once, then click on delete to remove them from your inbox permanently. Now know that deleted emails still count towards storage until the trash is emptied. Just go to Gmail, then trash, then empty trash now. And just refresh the page to see the many number of emails that got deleted using this extension. So just a tip, regularly use InboxPurge to unsubscribe and delete unnecessary emails to keep your Gmail storage from filling up again. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.